informative and a very interesting competition today, where the students have made amazing projects out of the waste or the things they use during the dental treatment, or even from the dental packaging, or anything which is used around their field in the daily use. And this amazing concept was brought to the clinic at the department by Dr. Pramila Verma, our head of the department. And today we have with us Dr. Kirti Srivastav, who is the head of the University Environment Department and who can be a better judge to judge today's competition. So all the students have done amazing work, and I hope, in fact we hope that you will continue this. You will not stop here. You will keep using the things properly and reusing also, recycling and reusing both.
Today's function which you have organized was really very well planned, and thanks to Dr. Pramila for giving so much importance to waste management, which is actually very, very important. And if you think like what is going to happen in the future, then you have to think about waste management today. And I am very happy that you people are aware of how to do that, and maybe in future you can think about more innovative ideas how to dispose of waste, because day in and day out we are dealing with this waste management in our household affairs also, and in our working place. So I think you will keep on improving upon that, and every year if you can organize this, that would be a very great encouragement for the new generation. Thank you so much.
Like the Sulfilate, NSAID. So basically we are discussing the NSAID painkiller. When we prescribe that painkiller, we discuss about what is the cause of the pain in the endodontics or in the dentistry. The main cause is the decay of the teeth, means dental caries. Then infection of the teeth like the peripheral abscess, then trauma, cracked tooth, that is the main cause of the pain. Then how to given the painkiller? Painkiller is not treatment of the dentistry. Dental treatment not is a painkiller. You giving the painkiller, the pain is subside only the sometime.